Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Udoh, and every week I share great content to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you very much for stopping by today. In today's topic, we're going to discuss why you should stop chasing money. However, you should be chasing wealth. Now, most people trade time for money, and that's what I call chasing money. So most of us, seek out a job. There's nothing wrong with having a 9 to 5. I still have a 9 to 5, but also I'm doing things on the side to build multiple streams of income. So you want to stop chasing money, because when you chase money, you're basically, trading your time for money. So I will give you an example. Some people, because of our lifestyles, because we live paycheck to paycheck, because we live above our means, which means you're spending more than you make, therefore we get in trouble, and as a result we have to work extra hours, we have to take on second jobs, part-time jobs, etc., just to make ends meet. And this has to do with our mindset, because our mindset, we're all programmed to work for money. And that's what I call chasing money. So we're constantly chasing money. Don't get me wrong. Money isn't bad. Money is a tool. So as long as you have the right mindset and you understand that money is just a tool that helps you facilitate things, then you'll be in a better position. So my advice to you is to make sure that you chase wealth. Now, there's a difference between chasing money and chasing wealth. When you chase money, like I said in the opening statement, you're actually trading your time for money. So that means, you put in X amount of hours and you get compensated for those hours. However, when you chase wealth, you actually have your money working for you. I'll give you an example. If you earn a paycheck, you're getting paid for a 9 to 5. Why don't you channel some of your resources or some of that money into building an asset that pays you over time? That's how you build wealth. So for instance, like this vehicle that I'm sitting in is going to be used for rental. So I'm going to put this vehicle, it's a brand new vehicle I just bought for a platform where I'm going to list this vehicle to help provide a service, just like Airbnb for homes. If you have your house, you can actually put your house on Airbnb, and that way you're making income from your property. So you're making use of that liability. So you're turning your liability into an asset that pays you over time, and that's how you build wealth. So in my example, putting this vehicle on a platform where I can generate some income, okay, instead of the car sitting in the driveway, but it will be generating income for me. So I'm turning this liability into an asset. Don't get me wrong, when you buy a vehicle is a liability, because you're responsible for maintenance, you're responsible for insurance, for the car payment if you have one, for anything that breaks on the vehicle. However, if you can turn that liability into an asset, now you're chasing wealth, because it generates cash flow every single month, and then you can put that cash flow back into the business, or you can use that cash flow now to purchase more assets. So stop chasing money, but rather chase wealth. And the second example, like I said, if you have a home and you have a spare room, or you have a whole house to yourself, you can actually place that house on Airbnb, and rent your house out to people. Excuse me, I'm sweating, I just got out of the gym. Now, so you can, put your house on Airbnb. Now your house, which was a liability, now becomes an asset for you, because it's actually generating income for you, which you can now turn that income into acquiring more income producing asset, and that's how you chase wealth. So stop chasing money, but rather chase wealth. All right, chasing money will never get you ahead in life. All right, we can see from most of the people, we all have a 9 to 5. 95% of the population lives paycheck to paycheck. Okay, I used to live paycheck to paycheck as well, but you have to come to the realization that you are responsible for your own financial well-being. No one else except you. So if you earn X amount of dollars and you spend above your means, then you're responsible for that. You actually put yourself in that position, which makes you, which puts you in a position where you have to keep chasing money to be able to meet your obligations. All right, so you should stop chasing money and start chasing wealth. There are many ways in which you can chase wealth. The wealthy use all the available resources they have, including the tax code, okay, to further themselves. However, just a little disclaimer, I am not a tax professional. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube sharing advice with people. So anything you hear on my channel is just for entertainment purposes. Also, you need to make sure you do your due diligence before you invest or take any actions. So the wealthy understand that you have to play the game of money and the game of wealth. All right, you have to dedicate your time to creating wealth. You are responsible for yourself. You are responsible for your financial, life. So don't sit there hoping or praying or, hoping to win the lottery, because, your chances of winning the lottery are slim to none. So instead of wasting your money on frivolous things that will not get you anywhere, you should invest your money, okay, in income producing asset. Start a side business. Okay, you can start something you like. If you like washing cars, then start a side car washing business where you can actually maybe go to people's homes and wash their cars in the driveway, or maybe you can set up a little store somewhere where you can wash cars, or set up a car wash somewhere. So whatever interests you, there's so many opportunities out there today, all right, that you can actually advance yourself. I once heard someone say that for you to get ahead, okay, in business, you must have three things. So you must have a product to service. Number two, you must have customers. And number three, there has to be an opportunity. So if you have all three situations, in place, then your chances of success of succeeding in your business increases. So if you have the customers, but you don't have the opportunity, you're not going to make it. Okay, you have to have all three things available. Okay, so before you go into any business, make sure that you have those three factors. Okay, you got to have customers. Okay, you have to have the opportunity, and you got to have a product or service that you're going to offer your customers. All right, so you have to have all those three things in place, and then you increase your chances of success. So stop chasing money, but rather chase wealth, because wealth is for the long term. Chasing money is a short-term situation. Okay, when you chase money, you just exchanging your time for money. You get a paycheck and then you spend it. However, it's what you do with the income that determines whether you build wealth or not. So thank you very much for stopping by today. If you found value in my videos, or if you found value in this video, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. Make sure you leave your comments down below. I'd like to hear your feedback if you think I'm off base with this, or maybe I'm wrong. So please share your comments down below. I want to hear from you. All right, I need more interactions from you guys. So please make sure, if you like my content, make sure you share it, subscribe, and also leave your comments, so that way I can see what you guys think. Okay, so thank you so much for everything you've all done for me. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and don't forget to check the next video coming up, and I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.